Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Accounts Simplified. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. Make sure you're watching the video till the end. Alright, without wasting much time, let's quickly dive right into the world of accounts.
Three, two, one.
In our today's class, we are going to solve one practical problem from simple column cash book. Now, do you know what is the other name for simple column cash book? If yes, do let me know in the comments section, all right? Now, in my last class, I have talked about cash book. All the details relating to cash book have been discussed in this particular video. If you did not watch, you can go and watch this video first so that your basics will be cleared. I've provided the link in my description box. You can go and check it out. All right. Now coming to our discussion. So this is a question which they have given. What does the question says? It states that prepare a simple cash book from the following transaction of Mr. Ram Gopal of Delhi. All right, so they have given some transactions which have occurred in Mr. Ram Gopal's books. Now we have to record these business transactions in cash book. All right, and whenever you see the question, please note that what type of cash book are they asking us to prepare. In this question, you can see it has been clearly mentioned about the simple cash book. They can say prepare double column cash book or triple column cash book. All right, even they can ask us to prepare petty column cash book. So be very mindful and check what is the question stating. In this question, they are stating us to prepare a simple cash book. All right. So we are going to draw the format or the performa of the single column cash book. So this is the format, or you can say the performa of the simple column cash book. We have the date column, particulars column, ledger folio column, and the amount column. Again, similarly, we have date, particulars, ledger folio, and the amount column. And on the top left hand side, we are going to write debit, and on the top right hand side, we are going to write credit. All right, in my previous video I've stated that cash book always follows the rule of real accounts. Why it follows the rule of real accounts? Because cash is an asset, and anything which is an asset comes under the category of real accounts. What does the real account state? It states that whatever comes in into the business are being categorized under debit, and what goes out from the business are categorized under the head credit. All right, so what comes in means debit and what goes out means credit. So in case of cash, if cash is coming in into the business, or you can say the inflows are categorized as debit and the outflows are categorized as credit. So the first transaction, business transaction, what does it states? It states that Mr. Ram Gopal commenced business with cash rupees 8,000. So he started his business with 8,000 cash. So we are going to record this cash 8,000. It's coming into the business, yes or no? In the form of what? In the form of capital. So we are going to write to capital account in the debit column, particulars column, and the amount we are going to write 8,000. All right, now always remember under the debit side it will always be followed by 222. All right, we'll write 2 capital, 2 sales, whatever cash coming in into the business, we are going to record it by the term 2. All right, and under the credit column, the under the particular side of the credit column, it will always be followed by buy. by, buy, all right? And in the debit column, particulars column, it will be followed by to. Clear? I'm assuming that it's clear to you all. Now, moving forward, the next business transaction, what does it states? It states that he bought goods for cash 5,000. He bought goods. Yes, goods are coming in into the business. So when goods come in into the business, what happens in general scenario? Cash goes out, yes or no? Cash goes out and goods come in. So since we are recording these transactions in cash book, we are going to think from the perspective of cash. All right, so cash is going out, yes or no? So anything which goes out, we will be recording on the credit side. So under the credit side, particulars column, we will be writing buy purchases. All right, buy purchases. I hope it's clear to you. Buy purchases. Why we are writing buy purchases under the credit side? Because cash is going out. Yes or no? So 5,000 we will write in the amount column. The next transaction it states sold goods for cash. Now sales is happening here, sold goods. So what happens? Think. Please take a moment, pause this video right here and think what will be the entry. Sold goods for cash 100. So cash is coming in, yes. So we are on which side we will be recording, debit or credit side? We'll be recording on the debit side, yes or no? Because debit means in all the inflows. So cash is coming in. So date we'll write April 5 to sales account. All right, to sales account, and amount we will write in the amount column, which is 100 rupees. Clear? Next is received cash from Mr. Manohar Lal. Received cash. So cash is coming in. Yes. Again, we will be recording on the debit side. Yes or no? So we will write the date 6 April 6, and we will write to Mr. Manohar Lal and the amount in the amount column, which is 360. Clear? Now on date 9, what happens? Paid into bank. Paid into bank. So this paid into bank, cash is going out. Yes. So we are going to write by bank on the credit side. Date we will write 9, and in the particulars column we will be writing by bank account, which is 3,000. And on date 13, the next transaction is date 13. What happens? Paid cash to Hari Krishnan. Paid cash. Cash is again going out. Yes or no? So on date 13, we are going to write it on the credit side. April 13 by Hari Krishna, which is 215 rupees in the amount column. Clear? I am assuming you have understood till here. Shall we move forward? All right. The next business transaction took place on date 16. You know, in business, everyday transactions taking place. Yes or no? So this cash book, we are recording for the month of April. Whatever transactions have taken place in the month of April, we are going to record it in the simple column cash book. All right. So on date 16, what happens? Sold goods for cash. So cash is coming in. Yes. Sold goods. Whenever sales happens, cash is coming in. Yes. So we are going to write the date on the debit side, which is April 16, to sales account. And the amount is 1500. We are going to write it on the amount column 1500. Clear? Now on April 17, the next day, what happens? Paid for stationery. How much rupees? 15 rupees. Paid for stationery. Money is going out. Yes. So where we will be recording, debit or credit? We will be recording on the credit side. Yes. So we will be writing the date April 17 by stationery account. And amount is 15 rupees. On the same date, what happens? Paid for office furniture, which is 185. So we are going to write on the credit side, because again money is going out. So buy office furniture, which is rupees 185. 85. Clear? Next business transaction is April 21, received from Mr. Kailash Chand. So we are receiving money. Money is coming in, cash is coming in, yes or no? So we will write it on the debit side. On 21st April, we will write to Mr. Kailash Chand, which is 680 in the amount column. The next business transaction happens on the next day, which is April 22. Paid for advertising. How much? 90 rupees. So payment is being done. Cash goes out. Where we will be recording? We will be recording on the credit side. Date 22 by advertising. All right, by advertising account, which is 90. Again, uh, the next business transaction is on 25th April. Purchase postage stamps, which is for 8 rupees. So money is going out. When we make purchases, when we buy something, what do? We have to pay money, yes or no? So April 25, we will write by postage account, amount in the amount column, rupees 8. On 28th April, paid rent. Rent is being paid, so cash is going out. Yes, cash is going out, which means on the credit side, we will be recording the transaction. Date April 28th by rent account in the name rent. All right, by rent account, rupees 100. And on the last day of April, what happens? Paid electricity charges. Again, money is going out. So on the credit side, we will write by electricity charges account, which is rupees 15. Now, if you do the total, you will see that the debit side is greater than the credit side, which is 10,640. So we will write 10,640 on the debit side as well as on the credit side. Now, if you subtract these figures, these credit figures, you will get the balancing amount as 2012. All right, the balancing figure is 2012. And what are we going to write on the particulars column? As you know, in the credit side, it is always being followed by by the term buy. So by balance CD, we will write by balance CD. CD means carry down. All right, balance CD, this balancing figure 2012. And this 2012, again, we will be bringing it down on the debit side, 2012. And on the debit, we are going to write to balance BD, which means brought down. Clear? Till here it's clear. And what we will be writing on the date, it will be the next day. Here the closing date is 30th April. Yes, what comes after 30th April? What is the next day? It is 1st May. Yes or no? So on the date column, we will be writing 1st May to balance BD 2012. So that was it for our today's practical problem. I hope you have understood this practical question, how it is being solved. In my next class, I'll bring one more question on simple column cash book and we will be solving it together. All right. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel to enjoy for more such content. Till then, record, reconcile, and repeat. I will see you soon in my next video.